James here from Dragon Blogger. Today with a little walkthrough of how to use your Klein modular pass-through data or Ethernet crimpers. This can be done with Cat 5, Cat 6E, or Cat 6, Cat 5E, RJ45s, and then you can do the RJ11 and RJ12 for, like telephones, fax machines, and stuff like that. It is a crimper, so it crimps, cuts. It'll also cut and strip. I'll show you guys that right here. We'll grab a piece. You guys can see how easy this is. Just grab a piece, stick it in, cut off. I mean, if you guys see that, it cuts pretty good. We'll put it in the stripper hole, go like this. Make sure it's nice, let go. We will pull this off if it cut all the way. You might have to check it a couple times. I'm doing this blind without seeing this perfectly, so you guys are gonna, see it's a little easier for you. Hold off. Your wires are good. Here's the cut wires. Here's the crimper piece. The connector. We're gonna use the connector to go in like this. Make sure they're all properly lined up. It's gonna take a little bit. Make sure they're lined up. Make sure they go through. Make sure it slides in. Then check your colors before you crimp. Make sure it's stripe, color, stripe, color, stripe, and then it's gonna mix. Grab the tool. We're gonna grab the RJ45 side right here. Make sure it's the proper direction, just like this. Make sure you press it in all the way. Then we are going to slide like this. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's gonna cut all the wires off. Unfortunately, it just fell into my keyboard. Uncrimp, slide out, and it's cut. And it's perfectly connected. Okay, now that you guys see this is perfectly connected, both sides, the only thing I did that I didn't watch is I put this connector up, this connector down. Ain't gonna matter because by the time you get to where you can twist it. Not a big deal, but this was just a test piece. That was using the Klein, modular cutter and stripper and crimper. Thank you for checking out this video and keep your eyes out for more and have a great day, guys.